Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to indent in Google Sheets. We can make it really quick. There is no way to indent in Google Sheets. Well, this is not 100% right. There might be no simple and easy way to indent in Google Sheets such as you have in Google Docs, but definitely there are certain ways how you can indent text in Google Sheets. I'm going to show you the 5 best ways that I learned myself. So, without further ado, let's get started and have a look at the 5 ways. Let's start with the first one. So I created a little list here with animals. And on the left hand side, I have a shopping list and the amount. And as you can see, the shopping list, there are nicely indented elements here under Walmart, Wet Market and Bakery. And we are going to achieve the same with these 5 ways I'm going to show you. So let's get back to the animals. The first way, and it's really simple, is you just go into the cell and you hit the space bar a couple of times, let's say 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do that for every item. And as you can see, the items or the cells are nicely indented like that. But of course, it's a really manual way, and certainly there must be better ways to achieve the same. And there are. We do this, so we have everything like this. Looks quite nice, but as I mentioned, really manual work. Let's just get back to how it looked before, and we move on to the second way. You can use special characters to indent. So, special characters such as these arrows are well suited to indent as well. But now you say, wow, that looks quite ugly. You're right, but what you can do is you can just change the color of these special characters. So I just mark them and then I change the text color to white. And after that, you don't see that anymore. So it's completely indented and you don't see the special characters. Perfect. So this is the special way to do it with the special characters. This is the second way. It's still very manual, but let me promise you, we will get to less manual ways to do that. So this brings us to option number 3. You can use the concatenation function. So you just merge 2 things together, and this way you're gonna have or add space, and you can indent in Google Sheets. Let me show you this example here. So I want to indent dog. I'm just gonna use the equal sign. This tells Google Sheets that we are starting with a formula. Then I'm using the exclamation marks. I add a couple of spaces using the space bar, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I close that. And now I'm adding the, I think it's called ampersand, the at, and the cell I want to add here. So I want to add dog, that's F4. Now I'm adding F4 and I hit enter. And I added some point here, just gonna remove that and add enter. And as you can see, it's indented. It looks nice. I can add this to the rest and everything is nicely indented. So this is a less manual way in doing things. But there's more ways. All right, you can also use the custom formatting for numbers to achieve it. I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. Let's get back and let's mark these again here in this example. And I'm going to use format number. I go on the menu item format, then number, and here I choose custom number format. It's the last option in this menu. And here, what I do is I use some slashes. I just hit the space bar like 4 times again. We can also do 3 times. Let's do 3 times this time. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm adding an at symbol. So the at symbol is just going to symbolize when the text is starting. So once I apply that, you will see all cells, all items will be indented. Ta-da! Everything is indented. Really nice. This is a great way to do it. Yeah, so that was number 4, and then we have number 5, manipulate columns. Yeah, this is a really neat way to indent in Google Sheets. I show you this one as well. I prepared this example here. You can use the columns themselves to indent. So the only thing you need to do is just drag them left and right. Let me show you here. We just drag this one left a lot, and now everything looks indented. Well, you may say this looks a bit off, but let me show you how you can fix that. You can just mark everything, and then you're going on borders, and here you select a border. And of course, for it to work, you need to go on the white color so you don't see the border anymore. So I choose that. And as you can see, it looks really, really nice. At least I think that. Because you don't see the border anymore and everything is indented. And this is a really nice and fast way to do it as well. So these are the 5 ways to indent in Google Sheets. It's certainly possible. There is no built-in way, if you will. But I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're always informed for helpful Google Sheets tutorials. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.